Whether you're in architecture, engineering, or manufacturing, we have a solution designed to fit your needs. GstarCAD is our flagship 2D and 3D platform with seamless DWG compatibility. For specialized workflows, GstarCAD Architecture and GstarCAD Mechanical bring industry-specific tools that boost productivity. And with Houseplan, you can create stunning 3D models and real-time renders in minutes, perfect for quick presentations. With DWG Fast View, you can view, edit, and share files on the go from any device, trusted by over 10 million users worldwide. Need to integrate spatial data or manage civil engineering tasks? Solutions like Spatial Manager and TCP/MDT have you covered. At GstarSoft, we're building the future of design. With growing BIM capabilities and solutions for every workflow, we give you the tools to turn your vision into reality. GstarCAD. Unleash your creativity no matter where you are.